Welcome! If you're looking to show your current experience to everyone on Roblox, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can share what you're playing with friends and the entire Roblox community. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll see a menu pop up with several options. From here, tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your Roblox preferences. Next, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is where you control who can see your activity and how private your account is. Once you're in, look for the option that says Visibility and Private Servers. Tap on it to continue. You'll now see a setting simply called Visibility. Tap on this to open up more options about what other users can see on your profile. Under the Visibility section, you'll find a setting labeled Show Current Experience. This is the key option you want. By default, it might be set to Friends or No One. To let everyone see what you're currently playing, just select Everyone, and that's it. You've now made your current experience visible to all Roblox users. This means anyone can see what game you're enjoying at the moment, making it easier for friends or new players to join you. Remember, you can always change this setting back if you want more privacy in the future. Just follow these same steps and pick the option that works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. See you in the next video.